I am so excited because a package has just been delivered. Stay tuned while I go over what I just received. Hey, welcome back. My name is Chris. You can search me on YouTube and Instagram at shave_and_chat. I'm here with the Razor Company, and today I just received a package from the Razor Company. I'll leave their link down below here if you want to go check out their website for yourself, if there's any wet shaving goodies that you're currently interested in, or maybe you're brand new to wet shaving and you want a place to go to so you can pick up some great stuff, definitely check out the Razor Company. And while you're checking out the Razor Company, if you want to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Did you just receive a package at all? And what did you get? And share this video with your shaving buddies, and of course, subscribe to the Razor Company. While you're doing all that fun stuff, if you want to head over to Instagram, I'll leave the Razor Company's handle down below here and follow them on Instagram. They have a wealth of wet shave content over there, and the one thing that I really love about the Razor Company, besides basically everything, is the fact that every Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern, they host a live shave, typically with 4 other gents. These guys all share their passion for wet shaving while they're shaving, and it's just a great time. Typically within those lives, they pull a name for a special prize. Wouldn't it be cool if they pulled your name because you were following the Razor Company and watching that live? Go follow them. It's good for you. Okay, now that I got all that fun stuff out of the way, let me show you what was just delivered. I'm going to be using this artisan for the very first time. I've seen them around a bunch. People keep raving about them, and I'm excited to follow suit. For today's shave, I'm going in with Noble Otter BarrBarr. This is supposed to be a barbershop scent. I agree with that, but I'm gonna take it one step further. This is like barbershop scent 2.0. Oh man, I could sit here smelling this all day. This is like a barbershop with some kind of citrus within it. Oh man, this is amazing. And of course, nowadays when I get my soap, I also get the matching splash. And you can tell this is new because I haven't even opened the seal yet. Now my package does not just end there. I did actually pick up other artisans that I've never used before. They'll show up later on in some videos. I've been shaving for over a year now. And the one piece of hardware that apparently is the workhorse within wet shaving, I never got. So I recently picked up the Merkur 34C from the Razor Company. I am super excited for this razor. So now let's get on with that shave. First, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some leaf pre-shave oil. Sorry, I forgot to mention, I'm going to be lathering up with the Yaki 26-inch synthetic knot. I love the blue. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, my brush is nicely loaded. Now let's go ahead and paint this on. Holy, this smells amazing. The citrus in this is beautiful. Now, from my understanding, the Merkur 34C is a fairly mild razor. So let's go ahead and throw in a fairly sharp blade with a feather blade. So right away, the Merkur has me thinking. I was trying to twist the top bottom cap because that's typically how I load my razors. The Merkur 34C, this is a different beast. You have to use the bottom. Look at that. I had no idea this was a 2-piece. I'm really excited. This is amazing. This lathers really well. Took no time to blow up. Lather that's coming out of this is insane. Okay, so this is my very first time going in with the Merkur 34C and my very first time using a Noble Otter soap. Okay, and there you have it for the first pass. That felt really nice. I think this blade in this razor works well. I can tell that the Merkur is a milder razor, and the protection I feel that I'm getting from the Noble Otter soap is top stuff. Let's get in with that second pass. This is fantastic. How quickly this soap just explodes. This lather is so good. All right, let's get in there with that second pass. I'm surprised I didn't cut myself there because I found myself pushing really hard. I gotta really take it easy. One thing I'm still keeping mindful of is I don't need that much pressure, especially when you're using a razor that has a lot of weight to it already. Now, I do have to say the short handle on this, I find gives me a little more control. So even though I'm putting a lot of pressure on my face, I feel like I do have a lot of control over the razor. Interesting mix, I guess. And just like that, second pass in the books. Second pass felt pretty good. I am going in for that third pass. Still feel some blotchiness around the face. So hold tight. We're getting in there for that third pass. I have enough lather in this brush to go another 3 passes if I ever needed to. Okay guys, let's go ahead, get that third pass in, and we're going against the grain. Let's go. Alright guys, third pass in the books. Let's go ahead and wash off the rest of this soap. I'll go ahead with my Parker's Alum Block. When I use my alum block, I'll put it over the face, and then I'll go ahead and clean my area up, make sure everything's clean and ready to go for my next shave. And while I'm cleaning, the alum is sitting on the face and I can feel it kind of tingling and maybe doing its thing. And then when I'm done cleaning up the area, I go ahead and I wash off the alum afterwards. From my understanding, if you keep the alum on, it leaves a white residue on your face. So after I'm done cleaning up the area, I wash this off and go on to my next step, if you will. I'm so trained to unscrew it from the top here. I'm not getting very far if I do that, you know what I mean? I gotta remember it's from the bottom here, so I'll show you what I mean. So if you unscrew the bottom, there, now go ahead and you take it off like so, and there's the blade. This is cool, something to get used to, but it's cool. So then the Merkur is rinsed off, clean, and ready for the next use. So now that my area is all cleaned up and ready for my next shave, I'll go ahead and wash off that alum. Next, I'll toss on some Thayers. And last, but definitely not least, for the first time, I'm going to be using Noble Otter. Feel a little bit of a burn, but nothing crazy. And it feels so nice on the skin. Wow, this is good. Alright guys, there's the end of the shave and the end of the video. If you've made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for doing so. I truly appreciate it. And once again, my name is Chris, here for the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.